Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Monday, May 29th, 2023. It's around 9 or so, 9:30ish by now. Now this is a modern fan industry in copper finish. It was actually a gift from fellow collector Matt Braun. When I went to visit him out in Cincinnati, and years later, she's probably 7 years ago now. I think it was the 2016 Fanimation trip in the summer that he gave me that, and then years later I gave him a 48-inch Hunter original, to thank him for letting me crash on his couch and for letting me give me this fan. Anyway, yeah, this is copper finish. Now, this was, I believe, out of a Red Robin, which is a popular restaurant chain that had these fans. Then they discontinued them. They don't know exactly what happened. But they remodeled and were able to probably write them off as depreciation or something, which is how big businesses do it. They waste perfectly good fans, but unfortunately, I'm glad to say this one didn't go to waste, because it may have taken me a while, but now it's adorning the ceiling in my cellar. So let's start it off on fast. Medium. Slow. And off. And yeah, I actually had to, it was missing the mounting bracket and hardware, so the blade screws, I should say. So I had to usurp the screws and bolts, actually, from a, I'll zoom in on it, but from my old childhood erector set. I still have the whole bag of screws and nuts and bolts. So I, and then as far as the upper canopy, I had one lying around that would fit. So I stuck that up there and then put two of these bolts into the sides to keep the canopy up. And there's a separate pull chain for a light kit. Debating one of these days I might actually install a light kit on here, just to see what it looks like. I think either a globe or schoolhouse would be would fit it pretty well. Maybe if I could find copper-colored spotlights, but or a copper-colored light fitter. I don't know. I just I think an old polished brass would look good enough. Would be enough of a, look enough like copper, and then I could just put on a schoolhouse or a globe, because that's what I have readily available. Spit out the words, Mark. There you go. So, anyway, I want to thank you folks for watching. Please do click the like button and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.